In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a list on Google Keep. It's a simple and effective way to collaborate with others, whether you're tackling a shared project, planning an event, or just keeping everyone in sync. Let's dive right in. To get started, ensure you're on your Google browser. Google Keep is easily accessible from any device, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll navigate it using a web browser. First, you'll want to open your browser and head on over to the Google homepage. Once there, you'll notice a grid of dots in the top right corner of your screen. This is the Google Apps icon. Click on that Google Apps icon. It's your gateway to all Google services, and you should see a list of apps including Google Drive, Maps, and importantly, Keep. So go ahead and click on Keep. This action will open Google Keep in a new tab. Now that you've got Google Keep open, it's time to find the note that contains the list you'd like to share. Browse through your notes until you locate the specific note. If you have a lot of notes, using the search bar at the top might help speed up this process. Once you've opened the note, look towards the bottom of the screen, typically just beside the color palette and archive button. Here you'll see an icon labeled Collaborator. Go ahead and click this option. This feature allows you to add others to your note, enabling seamless collaboration on the list you want to share. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter details of the person or people you wish to share the list with. Enter the email address associated with their Google account in the provided field. If you're collaborating with a group, you could alternatively enter a Google group address here. After you've entered the email addresses, ensure everything is spelled correctly to avoid any sharing mishaps. A quick double check never hurts, especially when sharing important information. Finally, once all email addresses are entered correctly, click on Save. This action will invite the selected individuals to view and edit your list. You will receive a notification that the collaboration has been set up, and the people you invited will get an email inviting them to the note. Now the list is shared and your collaborators can make changes, check items off, or add new information in real time. Whether it's planning a trip with friends or organizing a project at work, sharing a Google Keep list can be a great tool. And that's it, you've successfully shared a list in Google Keep. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're new to Google Keep or sharing features, don't hesitate to explore other aspects of the app's functionality. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.